Hello everybody, my name is Jean de Dieu Uwingabie. I am in Rwanda teaching you English. Today we are going to work together throughout conversational practice with my supporter.
Hello everybody, my name is Sadok Nila. I'm going to work in partner with Jean de Dieu with conversation practices.
Now, let's get started.
Hey dear, what have you been up to?
Nothing really.
How about your work?
It's so boring there. I really wish I had a different job.
Is that really bad?
Yeah, most of the time I have nothing to do, but whenever I have something to do, it's boring work because it's the same old thing.
Why don't you find a different job then?
Maybe I should.
Hey Jean de Dieu, what's your plan for tonight?
I don't have any plans. Are you planning anything special?
Well, if you're bored, let's plan a meeting tonight.
That sounds like a good idea. Should we invite Bob?
He's a little boring.
What do you mean?
Well, he doesn't drink, play video games, pool. He only talks about history.
You do have a point. We'll leave him out tonight.
Alright, let's meet up at 8:30 in front of the university bookstore.
Perfect! I'll see you later tonight.
See you.